Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Paula's Choice skincare routine. Right now, these are my absolute favorite skincare products, and after using them every day for about 2 months, my skin has completely transformed. And as you guys know from my older videos, I used to have a lot more cystic acne and little bumps all over my cheeks, but those are almost all completely gone after using these products. And I noticed that these products cleared my acne really fast, and I haven't gotten as much new acne since I've been using them. And probably my favorite thing about these products is that they really help me to drastically fade my dark marks on my face. The first step in my routine is washing my face with a gentle cleanser, and I'm using the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. And you want to use a gentle face wash first because you don't want to use the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant with a face wash that's really strong, especially not one that has strong ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, because mixing these two would be really harsh on your skin and you don't want your face to sting. And since I use a gentle face wash before my routine, I never feel any stinging when I'm using the BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Next, I'm just washing the face wash off with water and then making sure to get it all off with a wet washcloth. Now I'm applying the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. And I definitely think that this is the main product that helped me to transform my skin so quickly. Next, I'm applying the Paula's Choice Hyaluronic Acid Booster. And this product actually came free with my purchase when I purchased the liquid exfoliant, serum, and moisturizer, which was really nice. Then I'm applying the Paula's Choice Omega Plus Complex Serum with chia and flaxseed. And lastly, I'm using the Paula's Choice Water-Infused Electrolyte Moisturizer with potassium and magnesium. And I love this moisturizer because when I use it, my skin looks and feels moisturized and hydrated all day long. And that was my entire skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.